Hello. First of all, thank you for the opportunity to be able to attend itong training na to. And sobrang thankful din for Miss Tony in sharing her knowledge dun sa, especially dun sa lead framework na tinuro niya. Siguro may main takeaways first is, syempre, yung self-awareness. So sometimes kapag us as leaders, minsan we feel na ang dami na nating achievements or like for example, meron na tayong mga nagagawang maganda and sometimes nagiging ano na siya, blocker for growth. So ang maganda is yung sa self-awareness, nakikita mo kung nasan ka and then how you'll improve din. Then secondly, what I like is yung mga examples ng behaviors ng mga tao. Siyempre, iba-iba tayo. So parang yun yung way for you to understand how to deal with them, di ba? And how it affects actually yung mga interactions natin with them dun sa kanilang performance. And then lastly, favorite kong part is yung sinabi kanina about na parang what will be remembered is your impact and hindi yung performance mo. Kasi totoo yun eh, parang we all have deadlines, we make our projects work, ganyan. But at the end of the day, yung kung anong impact mo sa team, yun yung talaga mare-remember. So again, thank you for the opportunity.